In that moment, the situation changed from a potential near miss with another plane to a confrontation with something truly unknown. And then, for the final 17 seconds of the transmission, this. "17 seconds of unexplained metallic noise. Then, the open channel cut out. Silence."
Right. Being pursued by a UFO that's making a sound like a rusty Hills hoist in a hurricane. Must have been a bit distracting from his flight plan.
No one has ever been able to positively identify it. It was the last sound ever officially received from Cessna VH-DSJ. When the radio went silent, an immediate and massive search operation was launched. For 4 days, RAAF aircraft, civilian planes, and boats scoured the Bass Strait.